Hello and welcome to our channel, Ajayastro Mani Guru, where we bring you the latest updates and advanced analysis on commodities. Today, we focus on the rising wheat prices in India and the factors driving this trend. Wheat prices in India have firmed up significantly due to a persistent imbalance between supply and demand. The Delhi market recorded an increase of 10 rupees per quintal, bringing prices to 3,170 rupees. Supplies from Uttar Pradesh, UP, have been critical in meeting Delhi's wheat demand, but other major producing regions such as Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, MP, and Rajasthan are witnessing weaker supply trends. Private stockists have stepped in to sell wheat, but many suppliers are reluctant to offload their stocks at current prices. Across different regions, wheat prices showed varied movements. Delhi, 3,170 rupees per quintal, up by 10 rupees. Uttar Pradesh, trading between 2,970 rupees to 2,980 per quintal with a positive bias. Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat, stable at 3,010 rupees and 3,000 rupees per quintal, respectively. Bihar, 3,000 rupees per quintal. Kolkata, holding steady at 3,220 rupees per quintal. Southern India, wheat is being purchased at a premium, with prices ranging between 3,410 rupees to 3,420 per quintal. Despite the global decline in wheat prices, India's rates remain elevated due to a 44% import duty. This duty raises the port-delivered cost of imported wheat to approximately 32,000 rupees per ton, making imports unfeasible unless local prices in Bangalore rise by 1,500 rupees per ton. The Food Corporation of India, FCI, recently reported wheat stocks of 22.3 million tons as of November 1, slightly higher than last year. However, the government has refrained from releasing stocks through the Open Market Sales Scheme, OMSS, unlike in 2022, when OMSS operations began in June. This move appears to be influenced by the upcoming Maharashtra elections and the government's intent to support wheat sowing during the Rabi season. However, this decision has restricted supply in the domestic market, exerting upward pressure on prices. Flour millers and traders remain concerned about the tight wheat supply. A prominent miller highlighted that stockists are hesitant to sell at lower prices, creating supply bottlenecks. He suggested that a release of government stocks, similar to last year's approach, could stabilize the market temporarily. To address the situation, experts recommend releasing 4 to 4.5 million tons of wheat through OMSS, Bharat Atta programs, or additional public distribution system, PDS, allocations. Imposing stock limits to curb speculative hoarding. The Indian wheat market faces a challenging phase of tight supply and rising prices. Government policies, stockist strategies, and global market trends are playing crucial roles in shaping the market. As we await further developments, all eyes remain on government actions to bring much-needed stability. Stay tuned to Ajayastro Mani Guru for more in-depth analysis and updates on commodities. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for the latest insights. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.